Welcome again to Budget with Brian, and thank you for all those lovely subscribers who are looking right now. A little while ago I did a review on some screws that have been introduced to the market, and I thought they were good value. They were in a box and gold screws and so on. Encouraged by the perceived value there, I went into Screwfix the other day, and Screwfix had these on offer for, I think it was about £15 or £16. And you've got a box and you've got 1,000 screws in there, which seems good. But beware, when you buy screws that says 1,000 on the box and it seems good value, you've got to be prepared to have quite small screws, because small screws you can have a lot of and pack into a relatively small space. The bigger screws that you might need, like the 5s and the 6s or even the 4s, and the length even, will be in short supply in a box like this. So, looks good value, 1,000 screws for not very much money. Maybe look again, see how many small screws you really need. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. And don't forget, we're on Twitter and Instagram. And any comments, please be pleased to hear from you.